Hello, good morning, students. Today is transcription number 230 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Sir, as a teacher, I am pleased to note that the government have appointed an old teacher, Dr. Kothari, as the chairman of the University Grants Commission. We are proud of his scholarship and of his devotion to duty, and we feel that under his able guidance, the University Grants Commission would be able to render increasing service to the cause of education in this country. I am glad to know from the Education Minister that the University Grants Commission and the Education Ministry are functioning harmoniously, but I wish to point out that in the last report of the University Grants Commission, the Commission pointed out certain difficulties in carrying out its responsibilities. I do not know what steps were taken afterwards to remove those difficulties and to ensure to the University Grants Commission autonomy which is its due. Sir, we are holding conferences of the Ministers of Education and conferences of the Vice Chancellors of the universities, and I feel that we should also hold conferences of the chairmen of the University Grants Commissions of various states. In spite of that jurisdiction, we are holding conferences of vice chancellors of universities and we are dealing with various educational questions. If there are no university grants commissions in certain states and if they are not functioning properly, it is the duty of the education minister at the center to deal with that problem. Also, in the conference of the ministers of education of the various states, if they find some difficulty in having a conference of the chairman of the university grants commissions of the various states, I do submit that the universities are not functioning as autonomously as perhaps the education minister wished them to function. I know that in the last report of the University Grants Commission, it was said that freedom is vital to good education and democracy. And I know that our education minister today also repeated the same idea in other words. But I am afraid that interference in university education is rather increasing. The bureaucratic spirit is tending to dominate the university life much more than it did when we were under the British regime. Universities in certain states are tending to be instruments of the government's policies. Intra-party conflicts at government level and often conflicts between the state governments and the union government in certain cases cause difficulties in the administration.